Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. I got this puzzle in the mail and I was not expecting this. I don't know if I'm just not keeping up with all the advertisements, but it is the new HuaMeng TG3x3. We have a new version, maglev core magic cloth version, which means UV coated, and core magnets. Got a box this time. Okay. Definitely UV coated, corner adjustment magnets, core magnetized, edge magnets as well. Let's see what the core adjustment system looks like. Pull tab and adjustments here. So this, I don't think they've done before. I know they're changing from the old screw and blue adjustment system, and this is very reminiscent of what the Tornado was. 55.5. So on the larger side of some of the MoYu ones, slightly smaller than a GAN puzzle. 84.5 grams. So also on a little bit of the heavier side. Fairly tight right now, actually. And it feels quite stable. This is, I almost want to say, more of an old school feeling. When I say old school, I mean like 5 years ago, but with the newer magnets. It's a little dry. I want to add some lubrication just to smooth it out a bit. But it's fairly quiet. This gives me a bit of Tornado version 3 vibes, where it's not completely quiet, but it feels very solid inside. Yeah, I'm going to lubricate this, but so when this puzzle first came out, use some jack-o'-lantern. When this puzzle first came out, like the original version, I was not a huge fan. Like, I wasn't against it, but I was just like, yeah, it's fine. And then I did a comparison between this, the RS3, and the Weilong, and I became a much bigger fan of it because it was like that middle, it was that middle of the road, that middle feeling between the two other ones. And it seemed like the best option if someone didn't really know what they wanted to get. Like, this really was that in-between one. So you help someone decide. Maybe they want it more flexible, or maybe they want it tighter. I actually really just like all this. What setting are we on right now? I don't really need to adjust much. We're on 1 for the corners. 1 is the strongest. You can see the magnet goes in, and then when I get to 1, it pops back out. So it's on the strongest magnets. That's why it felt like it had really strong magnets, which is good for what I wanted. Let's try this core system, see how well this works. Let's first just turn these clockwise. Seems really sturdy. Like, I don't know if they are, but it feels, this is like the most sturdy core adjusting system I've seen. Okay, clockwise is spring compression. That's a lot looser, and actually with the strong magnets and the loose compression, that's really fantastic. So here, now if I go 1, wait, how do I adjust the other one? Oh, that's a thing. Oh, there's arrows here. I can't read the numbers, but you just turn it clockwise. Counterclockwise completely takes it off. So it's always clockwise. So right now it's set to 1. If I just go all the way up to 5, let's see here. 2, 3, 4, 5. It turns really easily. That tends to loosen it. No. That tightened it a lot. Although, like, look how tight that is. Not too bad. Let's go to 2. Wow. So this can't get super loose. Even on the loosest settings, I felt like it was pretty good. So it cannot be super duper loose, but on super tight tensions, it still performed fairly well. Oh, there are edge magnets I can adjust. It's only on the maximum. So you can adjust the edge magnets as well. Wow, I'm glad I checked that. I didn't even expect that to be the case. Okay, this feels almost too fast now, but let's go for it. really like that. This is wonderful. If I had to give a reason for saying people should get this one, I don't know what the price is, but I'm going to tighten the spring compression just like 2 clicks. It's because this feels perfectly neutral. Like, it's not as big as a GAN puzzle, but it's not too small. And as people know if they've watched the channel, I like really small puzzles. This doesn't feel too bad. This is right at that line. But performance-wise, it's controllable. Actually, I'm going to do a resolve. Do some M slices. I think the spring compression could still be a little bit more than what I just did, but that's okay. 1 resolve, then I think I'm good. Hopefully it's a good one. Okay, this is going to be kind of slow to start. Didn't need to do that extra thing, or that extra thing. Okay, yeah, I really, really, really like this. I've really grown to like this puzzle. I think, let me still do a little bit higher compression, but if you don't know what you want because there's so many things out there, this is it works really well for a lot of people, and you won't be upset by the puzzle being too small or too flexible. I do really wish puzzles would come with some lubrication in the packaging. Maybe there's like an issue with shipping and there's other regulations, but I don't know if that's true. If you do know anything about shipping, could there be an issue with shipping some lubrication with puzzles? Let me know. Okay, yeah. Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Really happy about it. Thank you very much, MoYu, for sending this over. I'll have links in the description where you can get it, as long as it's available. Please leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future, and as always, keep following SpeakTube Review for more news and reviews.